Okay. Yo, what's going on, SKN? How you doing, bro? About to wait here a bit, make some fresh analysis on gold. Get some fresh analysis going, and then we can go on with our stream. What's up, Happiness? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, I think that's enough people to start the analysis. So I'm gonna start off from the monthly down, and I'm only going to be showing you guys what I look for and how I find my zones. Yo, what up, Sleeve DJ? Right. So we have a monthly support here. Just like that. Settings, template, monthly support. Just like that. Let's go down to our weekly. And then we also have a weekly resistance here. So let's just do monthly resistance / weekly resistance. Right. Nickel Lions, what's up, bro? Morning, Midon. Morning, my brother. Right. And that's the only weekly level that's making sense right now. The only one that will make sense next week is probably this support or this resistance. One of the two. But I'm gonna keep it clean because we know we're coming up to a weekly resistance. We've already tapped it actually. But I want to wait for the monthly to get tapped. Right. Daily. Daily is very important, very crucial. Right. We have a daily double top right here. Template daily resistance. Okay. Zoom in, get that on there real nice. Always get it on the bodies perfectly. Right, and then what else do we have? We have a support here. Very nice daily support. Where is it? Daily floor. I gotta switch that to support, but okay. All right. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Easy. I don't think there's anything else. So you see here this support here that we created here. This previous resistance. I'm not gonna go back too much into the levels. I just always mark up the most recent. Why do you mark up the most recent? Why would you go back? Why would you go back to 1970 to find out what price was doing then when we're in 2022? Right? 4 hour 4 hour is kind of cheeky, man. So we're in this range right now. The moment we break below or break high, we're gonna see some clear skies, right? Is that even? No, that's not even a bearish candle. So that's not even support. And then we have this down here. We'll just do that. All right. Is there anything else important that I need to look at? You could this resistance for a TP. This will be like a TP zone if we do end up shorting, because it's always gonna give you a reaction at these bodies. I don't know. No one knows how big, but you're gonna always get one of those reactions, man. All right, and then let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see here on our fib what it wants to do, because we did break structure. Yeah, let's wait for this 1 hour to close. If this 1 hour closes like this, I'm looking for shorts. I actually wanted a little higher, but sometimes you just gotta risk it for the biscuit. You gotta just be patient, right? Okay, so let's look at our Asian lows, because those get rated every day. Yesterday, there we go. So it looks like this is our Asian lows. Yep. So then pull out our chin line tool. Right. You can just put this wherever. I'm just gonna put it here. Text. Asian lows. That's it. Now you wait for price to make some price action in your zones and you're Gucci. Now I do see this as well. I kind of like settings, style, and let's make that orange. Oranges are my 1 hour structures, right? So now the perfect idea. Yes, he came into the 61 area, respected his resistance, now turned support, and should make its way back up to these highs, probably even higher. So let's just be very patient today. Let's look at news. Forex Factory. No news today. Oh, fucking Waller speaks, and fucking Williams and fucking Bernard. Okay, that's that. USD home sales CB leading index. Okay, I did want to check this out real quick though. My bad. Looks like we're snowing today. Bad. Oof. Rain. Okay. Back to Forex. Had a good buy from 1893, but moved my stop loss to break even too soon. Send a chart. I can help you on some scenarios. Do not move your stop loss at BE. 1893. 1890. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a little. I mean, these buys are actually not wrong at all. Well, why aren't they wrong? Well, you have your resistance right here. So 1893 somewhere up in. Oh, so you bought the break of that. Don't tell me you saw clean candles. But it's Friday, better be eating a loss, yeah. If you're thinking the way I'm thinking on going about this, then you did right. Because actually, basically what you just did was, right, the structure broke. Here's your retest, you entered. Makes sense. Where you're TPing, I don't know. Probably here. Right, that'd be a quick 37 pips. That's clean for the day, man. 37 pips, Gucci, get out. Get in, get out. Rob and run, right? Rob and run. Don't stay and eat donuts with the police once you've robbed your bank. I'm here today just to watch you guys. I'm not trading till next week. I agree. I mean, if I do see something play out, then I will take a trade. You know what I'm saying? Then I will take the trade. But I know what I'm doing. I could take a little loss and I could take a win. So, but there's this dude asking me yesterday. I took my trade yesterday. He wanted me to explain it to him. Where was he? I don't know. Oh, can you explain this trade? Taken. 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 Are you on here? Come to the live and I'll explain my trade. I don't know if he's on here though. I did short from, where did I short from yesterday? 4 hour. Somewhere in about here. About some music in the background, Walla? Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I got you next week though. Take it. Welcome, bro. So I'm about to explain you the trade that I took. Right? I was looking for your name. I was like, where the fuck is he? Because I knew someone asked me to explain it. So let's look back at the trade. This was the start of the trade. Right? I just gotta see here where it was at, somewhere about like 1892. So for the people that are, you know, new to the YouTube, you can join this. This is just where we come in, you know. Come in and chill, actually. I don't know how to fucking link this group. Oh, there we go. Add. So for the people that's new. Oh my god. That's wrong. That's not the link. There's a link to the. So, I believe it was somewhere. Where was it, man? Was it here? Let me look at my. Let me look at my thing. $18. 1895, 81 was an entry. Was that this drop? No way. Oh, it was this candle, wasn't it? Yep. It was that candle, I believe. I'm not sure. Give me a second, taking. I got you. The fuck candle was it, bro? Give me a second, let me look for it. It wasn't here. It wasn't here either. It was a swift drop. And it pushed right back up. Looking for the bigger picture. Yeah, 100%. I mean, if you could just take advantage of these moves in the meantime, I think it was here. It was at a daily resistance. I know that for a fact. What time did I send the video? Let's base it off that. Cause I really honestly genuinely forgot where the fuck I took that trade at. 3:17 p.m. I was floating about 70 pips in profit. 3:17 yesterday. Oh, it was right here somewhere then. It was this candle. Okay. It was right here. I found it. We found it. It was this candle. Okay. Let me circle this. Where you taking? Let's do this. That. And let's go to the daily. Yeah. Okay. So first reason why I took these shorts is we were coming into, this is what I call an untouched resistance. The higher the time frame, the bigger your push, or the bigger your rejection is going to be. So, in my mind, I'm thinking the first bearish candle, the first bearish confirmation I see on the 5-minute, I'm taking the trade. This is very risky, and you have to be very self-confident to take these trades because it's kind of hard. I mean, let's be real. You got to base it on one 5-minute candle that is going to determine you if you're going to win or you're going to lose. So, and I also knew it was short term, right? Because I had my levels marked off here on the 15-minute, and yep, it was right here exactly. Because I took TP right here. Okay, so perfect. Daily, look at the daily. Let me just do this for you real quick. Right, that 5-minute. Right, it was right here. Okay, boom. So when price, when price came up here, this is that daily resistance. Now it's probably not. Yesterday it tapped in very nicely though, right? So it might not look very nice now. It might look missed. But as soon as I saw this 5-minute candle create support or create resistance right here, I entered before the candles break. That's this orange line. So I entered just like this yesterday, right? Somewhere in about here. Somewhere in about, I had a stop somewhere like that. And I did target here. You know what I mean? This candle did scare the shit out of me though. But I was gaming while I was in this trade. So sometimes it's better to just run away when you're in a trade and just be doing something way different. So you just don't look at it. Especially when you know your markups are on point. Right? So these trades, a lot of the times you're bound to get a big move off of it. So see, this dropped 92 pips. One thing is though, once you see like a rejection, because I took off a lot at this area right here, because I knew, yeah, we got to come back to this area. But if you don't know where you're coming back to, just look at your zones and start, looking for reversal candles at that area. So I saw the first spike. This took one of my positions out for TP, it just automatically closed. And then I also closed half of the other position and I left the runner. But once I saw this candle, once I saw these two rejections in a high volume time right here, so I saw this rejection, and this break above here. I said, if that breaks above, I'm closing my trade fully, even the runner, right? And that's exactly what I did. And good thing I did, because then I would have got stopped out at break even, right? These trades are not easy to take. They take a lot of balls. Because you just got to do it, bro. Like, everything's bullish. Momentum's bullish. There's volume. You can't just look at it. You just got to let it do its thing. It's a small move, but quick, right? This move took about, just count the candles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. 90 pips in a half hour. Not bad, right? So that's how I took that trade. And then probably like the 15-minute, I go back to that area. Yeah, the 15-minute had already also closed bearish, I think. I'm not sure. Or was just closing bearish, right? And then the next 15-minute candle just did the job. Right? And I knew this was going to be a problem area because you have your resistance right here. You have your support here. This was your most recent support on the lower time frame. That's why I don't believe in clean candles. Right? And that's how I caught that trade yesterday. Let's see here. Yo, what's up, Vincent? Good morning. Oh, good morning, sir. How you doing? 4 hour just open. It's probably making a bottom wick. Let's see. But I'll be back. Give me like 5 minutes. Not even. Like 2 minutes. I'm about to make a coffee. All right. Afternoon, friends. How you doing? Oh, yo, what's up, Problematic? Good morning, Vincent. Taken. I see. Yes, sir. Friends, good afternoon. And Taken. That was nice. Thanks for your explanation. You are welcome. Gold's tanking as expected. As expected. Right. Yo, for the people that are joining the Zoom link, that's what's up, man. Probably like 3 of you that just joined here. Not a lot, but just throw your ideas in there. I only trade gold, but if you want to throw something else in there, go ahead, man. Look, the 1 hour is engulfing the 15-minute, 15 or the 5-minute, 15-minute engulfed as well. Let's see what it wants to do here at this area. Do I still trade XAUUSD? No, never really traded it. Probably took like 3 trades on it. Moves too slow, man. Like, I mean, I heard it's good for like structure wise and stuff like that. But like counter trend trading, it's like no go. Yeah, it moves like, let's see how many pips it moved this week. Let's start from the bottom wick. 140 pips. Oh wow, gold's coming down. hope gold doesn't break this level. Let's hope gold comes up to this area of resistance, 1898.49, potentially 1906.53 to then take it lower. I hope so. So then take it, because price needs to correct, dude. Like, again, needs to do something like this again, right? Very bullish though. Very, 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 very bullish. Where could we correct to though? Let's bring this here because I feel like that's kind of irrelevant right now. Let's see here. Let's see if we can rate the Asian lows and rate the Asian highs at the same damn time. These are the Asian highs up here. Right. 38.2s at this level anyhow. Like, okay. Oh man, every time like I'm asleep, like these beautiful moves happen, it's kind of fucked up. When I'm asleep, like these moves happen. See, like 130, I'm like long gone, knocked out at that point, right? Normally I get on the charts around like 8, but I was like, yeah, I'm not trading this range, bro. Look, this range is disgusting. So, ideally, what I wait for is push up. See if we can get in some quick buys. Because I think like 90% of the time, buys are going to work out. But it is Freaky Friday, so potential buys up into that area. I'm not saying it's going to go from here, but I would like buys to then take it down to one of these areas. That'd be pretty dope. Or sells, I mean, sorry. Have something like that. 30 pips, probably here, somewhere. I don't know. Right, but in the meantime, we do have this big bearish candle. That possibly could revoke the buys. We're just gonna have to see. I feel like once we break below here on the lower time frame, I think we're gonna take a shit. And people that are in shorts could TP1 right here at this resistance. If this resistance ends up holding, I will buy it. Buy it to where? Well, the monthly resistance. You know what I mean? Nice leakage right here. Ooh, nice leak. The entry was right here. 11 pips, 17 pips to be safe. Yeah, you'd be well over 2 to 1. Let's just look for a nice, yeah, price. Even right here was an entry. I was looking at this right here. At least a 2 to 1. This engulfing candle. Looking at somewhere here. Oh, that is extremely hot. But if this doesn't break, then yeah, it's kind of fucked. This 4-hour, I feel like they're gonna just rate these Asian lows into this area and just shoot it right back up. Let's see what we're gonna do here at this yellow box, which is 1-hour support. 11:20 in an hour. We have volume. I'll stay on for the volume. See if we can catch something. Yeah, everything's just cracking down real fast. You wait for volume to come in. Yes, sir. Welcome, Eel. I'm gonna just call you GK. Welcome. Right now, levels aren't gonna get broken right now, so we'll see what side I favor most when the volume comes in. But I won't do anything that I'm not ready to do. I'm not gonna jump in anything stupid. One, I don't want to throw away my profits for the week. And two, it's Friday. That makes sense. Market setting up for next week, so it's doing weird stuff. Still no clear direction in gold. Not really. I mean, you're never gonna go wrong with buying now, but if you look here, Mr. Vincent, you know, you probably already do know this, but I still do this a lot as a kid, like a little kid. I like drawing this stuff, you know. Right, go up here, boom, 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 boom. All right. So on the 1 hour, this is 1 hour. On the 1 hour, price broke here. All right, so this is our high low. Let me change this color. Black's kind of confusing. Let's make it white. Okay, doesn't want to change colors. Oh my god, perfect. I think I have to draw it again. Sometimes I don't understand what this fucking. Oh my god. App wants, man. Oh fuck. Oops. Alright. Let's just start from here. Alright, boom. High low. Broken. No clear retest though. No clear retest. But it did come up to here. Alright. Now we should make a low. Lower low. Based on the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you're not breaking structure. This is your last higher low. So if you break this on the 4 hour, then this is when you're breaking structure on the higher time frames. Then let's look at the daily. On the daily, you need to break this, right? You need to break and retest. So we are still bullish. Keep in mind, for the people that's been watching my stream from the beginning, I've been saying we're fucking bullish. Fucking go look back 2 weeks. I've been saying we're bullish, right? Market just fucking, everyone's bearish, but no, we're bullish. Anyway, we're not going bearish until you break below here and retest here. This needs to break and it needs to retest, right? Before you try and do anything, right? I've been saying it's bullish. Look at it now. Now I'm just trying to short it because these shorts are gonna be massive, dude. They're gonna be massive moves. Massive. I am talking insanely massive. Like, let's go back in history, massive. Like this massive, and this massive, and that massive. Yes, they are. This massive. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to catch now. The buys are, for me, they're fucked. They're high. You can still get in like some nice buys, but let's just see how it plays out. Fundamentals is fundamental in bullish gold. Yeah, fundamentally, yeah. Someone in the Telegram sent the press conference. I don't know what they said, but I think it's better, right? So this was all because of people are scared, right? People are scared as fuck. Rich people are buying gold. They're scared. Blah blah blah. Yeah yeah yeah. As soon all of this shit's over, you know how hard this shit's gonna tank right back to where it was at, right? Look at it. Look at it go. Sad thing, man. This came into the zone and everything. Now, how could you have capitalized on this if you were up? I was asleep. I would have took these shorts 100%. How could you have capitalized here in this area before this red box is even there? So you don't. I know. Do you know? So in these areas, you have to be very, 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 very patient. Because one or two things can happen. And you always look when selling the high. Trust me when I say this. You always. I cannot stress this enough. The liquidity grab, the liquidity raid, whatever the fuck you want to call it. When you're selling high, you always wait for this. You always wait for a price to bait you out. Price baits you out. Then price says, fuck you, motherfucker. Grabs your stop loss. And then price says, fuck you, motherfucker. Right? You always wait for the liquidity grab. How could you have capitalized on this yesterday? Fairly simple, actually. Okay, so here, especially, okay, remember when I said, look at here. Equal highs. Never ever fucking buy. Sell equal highs. Never. Here, equal lows. Right? Now you gotta think to yourself. People doing this. People are buying this. People are doing this. People are buying and selling in these areas, having orders ready, gambling on this direction that, price wants to go. The market is going to see these equal highs, right? They're going to grab all the stop losses that I just showed you. And they're going to tank the price down. Now, in all honesty, me personally, where is my... I would never have entered this candle. Never. It's not safe. That's not enough confirmation, honestly. Let's look at the 1 minute, what it did. I don't like to enter on the 1 minute anyway. The 1 minute gave away a little bit more, a little bit better as well, right? 1 minute confirmed by closing engulfing below structure, right? Structure break. 5 minutes didn't give us any confirmation to enter. 15 minute. 15 minute didn't give you any confirmation to enter, right? There's no confirmation. It didn't engulf. It didn't do anything. There's 15-minute support right here. It didn't do anything, right? The best thing that you could have done was entered on the 1 minute. Do I enter on the 1 minute? Sometimes, not a lot. Times like this, I won't. Why? There's no volume. Asian session. It's not my training time, and I'm asleep. So, the best thing you could have done here was wait for the 30-minute. There's your fucking... This is your confirmation. And it's still cheeky, because why is it still cheeky? Well, fucking look. There's no wick, right? So you would have had an engulfing candle, let's say 5 to 7 pips above price. So that would be like 32 pips. You're always going for a 1 to 2. Well, you get the gist, right? Does it make sense for price to go here at that time? Yes, it does. Right? That's the only way you could have caught that. With confirmation. Oh, Astro Creep. Good job, bro. Knowing it's Friday, I got in on a limit sell above Thursday's highs. He knows what he's doing. Simplicity. Good job. What's your entry? I'm not in anything. I kind of missed these highs. I'll sleep. I never traded limits, so I'm not gonna start either. Kind of cheeky. Cause this is my opinion. You're in profits, but this is just my opinion on limits. I can't control what it's doing. So if I'm asleep and I enter a limit and like it stops me out, I can't cut my trade on or nothing. Right? Just get hit. But yeah, very good job. And it's Friday. It's Freaky Friday. A lot of times Fridays reverses. A lot of times Fridays reverse. Why do Fridays reverse? Well, they need to make the weekly top wick for next week's candle to continue higher. It's just like on the 1 hour time frame. And that's probably what Astro Creep's thinking as well. When you see a 1 hour candle close like this, there's a perfect example right here, matter of fact. Right? See how you have the bullish, bearish, bullish candle, but the bullish candle left the wick. I call this like kind of like a gate. Like, you know, back in like the castle ages when they used to go in with break the gate down with those fucking rooftops for the archers, kind of like the same thing, right? So this one made the path, this wick made the path, and this candle flows in through the gate, right? That's how I look at things, and that's exactly what it needs to do right here on the weekly. Only it's just gonna take a while, right? So this weekly needs to get rid of it. It needs to leave a top wick for the next weekly candle to grab the cookies and breach the gate and breach into the palace, unless this candle just starts flipping bearish, and then you're fucked. Then there's just rejection, right? That's how I kind of look at things. It's a weird way, but it helps me. And if you really like, same thing like right here, you see, it always happens at resistance. It rejects once, closes bullish. The next candle is gonna confirm one more time, and then it's easier for this candle to break this resistance, right? That's where I buy a lot of times. People are like, no, it's not ready yet. Yes, it is. Just told you it's ready. It just created the gate, right? Here, look here. Or there's no resistance here, right next to it. This candle just blew through. No mercy. Can't see anything else right now. Yo, Chris, welcome to the Zoom. Or to the oh, this is just a bunch of wicks. You can't use this as an example. Nah, you can't use that as an example. Fuck that. Yeah, you guys get the gist though. Same thing on the buying side as well, but yeah, you guys, there's no more examples. Nah, sorry. Right? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What do we do right here? Asian lows just got raided. Asian lows just got hit. Everyone's that's been buying from Asian just got stopped out at break even. They took your money. Did the Asian highs get rated yet? I don't think so. I'm not saying it's gonna reject here, so don't just hop in a buy. I'm just saying it kind of just fucking grabbed your money and whoever was in buys. There you go. Right. Kind of want to see what it's doing in there. See what we're doing here at this 1 hour support. It's already, having troubles. But this is gold. Did you take sales, bro? Nah, I was asleep, man. I did just explain how you could have entered on these sales if you were up. For me, it's 130. In the weekends, bro, I like to go to sleep early. I'm always in bed at like 11, or in the weekdays, sorry. Alright, so the only way you could have entered on this was the 30-minute engulfing candle. 5-minute didn't have a confirmation, unless you're just bold enough to enter on that, which is fucking stupid. And then the 1-minute kind of had a confirmation, but I don't like the 1-minute. Right? So no sells, sadly. Yo, what's up, Satish? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Welcome back. Everyone leave a like as well, man. If you're new, subscribe. I mean, you don't have to. Shall we go for a sell? No, the sells are done. The sells have missed. Just gave you 2 opportunities, one up here and one up here. I did want to see push higher for the sells because we had our break, but there's not a real retest, right? Really retest. It just stopped halfway. You draw your fib, came to the 50%. Just a little higher would have been perfect in here for them to continuate, right? This is explained as well. I'll explain it again real quick. On the 1-hour time frame, higher highs are forming. On the 1 hour, keep in mind, higher. This is your high low, right? Equal highs, double top, and then boom, lower low. Now it didn't retest yet. I mean, you could call this a retest, and now it's making this lower low. Right? Let's see to where it wants to go to. There's an option. Because 4-hour candle. Ooh, yeah, no, there's no buys. Buys are cheeky. You gotta let it rest for the buys. Buys are cheeky right now, man. They just engulfed 2 candles. So you gotta be very careful. Just right at the Asian lows. So the next opportunity would be 4-hour closing below here. Next 4-hour candle leaving a wick in here. Then continue lower. That's your next opportunity if you really want to wait. But on the lower time frames, we're gonna get another opportunity to probably take this down into this area. Probably this. Me personally, if I was in shorts from up here, I would target this resistance on the 4-hour. Personally, I wouldn't even look at none of this shit. I would just target this. So, right. But at this time, right, say for example, you're looking at this, you need a 2-to-1 at least. So I would target this area. TP1's here for sure. TP1 would have just got hit. And boom. Just like that. I'm interested to see if daily closes bearish, how much of a retrace it did from the weekly high. Let's have a look. Yeah, if the daily closes bearish, let me go to Awanda real quick. Let me pull out my annotating tool. So if the daily closes bearish, say the daily closes bearish. Let me make sure we have a nice color. Okay, it's blue. Fuck it. Right, closes bearish. Right, great support. Or we create resistance. Sorry. Then you're actually, if we close bearish, then we're stuck in this range, right, from the support to the resistance. Right. So then the daily actually, based on the daily time frame, really might come down to these areas. Right. But we have news, right? We have news, and honestly, I would keep this right here into perspective, or in the back of my head at least, you know. So then, if we close bearish on a daily, then we're stuck in this range, right? From here to here, this is your range, right? Actually, from here to here, but let's just be safe, because this could, you know, it's a daily, and this could do some stuff. Now let's go over to the weekly, and then let's see what the weekly would look like. Yeah, the weekly's just too bullish. Can't really. So let's say the weekly would close like this, for example. Right, what would you look at then for the next weekly candle to do? Well, you have your weekly resistance. We broke above right here. Probably like a wick low, right? Then further continue higher. But oh my god, that is terrible. That is absolutely terrible. But I want to see like a deeper pullback. And honestly, on a weekly, keep in mind, price gold always goes back to the area that it broke out of last. So if the weekly broke out here, right, it's gonna come back and retest this area. Trust me when I say. It's gonna come back and retest this area again on the weekly time frame. Probably leave a wick, something like that, right? And continue higher. This is just looking at higher, perspective. I'm just speculating, thinking what could happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen, right? But on the daily, if I see a daily close like this, what do you think the next daily candle should do? Well, the next daily candle should give you a wake up, respect this area, and form some rejection candles in here to continue lower to this area or this area. Might take 2-3 days, but it's gonna go there. You know what I mean? I'm interested to see, okay, TP1's Asian lows. Yeah, exactly. Good job. Full TP for me at 1885. Have a look. 1885. Oh, your TP should already be hit. Makes sense. I like that TP. You gotta do, you kind of do gotta be careful here though. Yeah, you have this 1 hour support. That's most definitely gotta come to. Your TP should be hit already. But say we blast through here. If you have a nice entry up here, man, don't close the full thing. Just try to leave like a runner. Cause you never know. It's Friday, bro. This shit might fucking go to hell today. Like, let's be real. Right? Yeah, so oof, look at that. It's rejecting, man. 5 minute time frame. Where is it rejecting off of? I'm telling you, gold has been respecting smaller time frame zones. It's insane. Like, it's been respecting the 30-minute and the 15-minute like crazy. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't fall into this trick though. Just let it come down. It's already losing momentum. Candles are getting smaller. $18.55, very good, very good. I mean, even if you want, bro, don't get greedy. Just fucking close that shit. If you want, I would leave a runner personally. Yesterday's New York lows, same thought, but I prefer 86 STP. I mean, both of you guys TP hit. Wow, 10 pips. Wow. There's possibly an entry right here at the break of this candle. Hold on, wait, give me a second. Is this the? Oh, nope. Nope. This is the 15-minute open. This is the 15-minute open. I don't like taking trades when the 15-minute open just opened. Yeah, all it could be doing is creating its top wick. $30-minute. 30 minutes rejecting pretty hard. But where though? It's really, let's just mark this off right here. Let's make that light blue because that's my color for the lower time frame. And we'll definitely want to wait for this right here. Support, it's untouched. So New York can push it up. I prefer to catch it while it's possible. Yeah, New York can. Absolutely. Because it just rated the lows, right? So New York, or kind of like London session, raised the lows. New York raised the highs, vice versa. So it all depends. But I do like this area. I do like that area. Catfish. Well, right. Yeah, I'm gonna let it come down. Can I share your chart? Yeah, man. Send it in, man. Send it through, bro. 100%. Okay, so what's going through my head right now is I gotta wait for the candles to close, man. 1 hour close way too strong. 1 hour, 1 hour close way too strong. 30 minute is rejecting. 5 minute, 15 minute. So let's wait for this 5 minute to close, man. RSI diversions for sell in 4 hour. I mean, I don't even know what RSI is, bro. No, I'm just kidding. I do know what it is. I just don't use it. You know what I mean? Um, the next possible thing that you could wait for is the freaking next 30-minute candle open. So if this next 30-minute candle closes with a nice rejection, right? Then that would mean that the next 30-minute candle is either gonna come down, reject again, or is either gonna fly to the moon. If it comes down to reject again, and then the not this 30-minute candle, but the next 30-minute candle has like a low bullish kind of sort of doji candle ish, and I kind of look for buys back up into. I try to, TP1 probably would be the highs, right? Normal, right? Cause don't get it twisted, bro. There's still 3 hours left for this 4 hour candle, bro. And it's already rejecting 15-minute zone. So don't get it twisted. 15-minute, if the 15-minute engulfs right here, that could be your ass. So I'll tell you what. I'm going to enter half a position. Once the 30-minute, 15-minute breaks above half a position, and then I'll enter another half of the position once give me a second. Currently entering. Let's see. Okay. So I entered half a position. Half a percent right here. I have my stops. What is it? Right here. somewhere about. And I'm going to charge the highs up here again. And I'm going to look for another entry for my other half. It's because one thing I do preach a lot is 15-minute closes or 15-minute engulfing candles. And I'm going to act on it right now. So actually, you're supposed to wait till it closes. But I'm going to anticipate price to keep going. If it doesn't, well, it doesn't. I'm in for a half position, and if price comes down again, say this 30-minute closes like this, then we're most definitely seeing another 30-minute or 15. We're most definitely going to see another wick down, and I'll enter that wick as well. Give me a second. We're going to TP here these 4-hour highs at the bodies of them. 80 pips. And then we're going to wait for the close. It could honestly just fucking collapse right now as we speak, right? But if we close back into this zone, let's start with the 15-minute. If the 15-minute closes above the red zone, then this is actually just a big fake out, and this will turn into the bottom wick on the 4-hour candle. And it will end up flipping once volume comes, right? Rating these Asian highs. My TP currently is just right here. So my entry, let me go back to YouTube. Let me go back to YouTube. Yeah. Let's go here. 4-hour. These are this is my thing. This is there. That's what I'm looking at. These are the 4-hour bodies. May re-enter at 1890. 1890. Yeah, that makes sense. Give me 1 second. Okay. Don't you wait for a 30-minute close? No, normally I wait for a 15-minute close. But I thought to myself, you know, it's because I do preach these candles a lot, and I do act on them a lot. But normally you're supposed to wait for the 15-minute to close engulfing. Yes, I know. But I took half a position, literally half risk, to enter here, expecting price to go higher, right? Because sometimes you have an engulfing candle and it closes right here. Well, you're not going to enter that candle anymore if it closes right here, right? I do agree with you. Don't you wait for the 30-minute close? Yeah, I agree 100%. 15-minute close as well, but I anticipated it. I anticipated to come back. I only risked 0.5%. Wow. You know what I mean? It's not like you think a pullback to 1880, 1876. Good job. I mean, if you think that, what is that? Let's see to where. 1880. 1880. Yeah, I like that. I like that. But I'm seeing here what it wants to do. Oh, that's not good. This is not good right here. Everyone have a personality operation. I respect yours. Yes, sir. I'm going for sell. Go ahead, bro. Good luck. I'm not a hater, bro. You guys can do what you want to do. If you think it's going to sell right now, then sell it. I'm not a hater. If I lose and you win, I'm happy for you. That's what makes me so different. Right? If you, what's his name? Oh, Mr. Fruits. Mr. Fruits, if you go for a sell right now and you win, congrats. If I go for a buy and I lose, still congrats. Why? Because I fucking learned from it. That's a difference. And I'm really genuinely happy for you if it does end up flipping and going bearish. Because I made good money this week. You know what I'm saying? I made good money this week. Now, I have to keep in mind though, it's rejecting, but the 1 hour did close below here, right? Now, if the next, this is what's going through my mind. If the next 1 hour candle comes down here, retests, in the 5 minute gives me a confirmation in this area, I will enter again. And then I will be in for a full percent for the day. If I win that trade, I'm done. If I lose that trade, I'm done. I'm still happy with the profits from this week, and that's it. But I know we're at my zone. We're at confirmations. Gold's bullish anyway. The 15-minute looks like it's about to close engulfing. I just got in early. You know what I mean? I only trade gold. Yes, sir, Mark Bertuldo. I like that. Bertuldo. I like that. I only trade gold. Yes, sir. Wait for the close of the 15. You could. West African Sylvester, you in the house? I don't think so. Yo, what's up, Davies? Welcome back, bro. How you been, man? How's your week? I made 7% this week, so I could risk this 1% to make 6%. That's cool. I'm not tripping, bro. I'm happy. My profits this week are in the bag. In the baggage, right? It's the last one. This is a bonus, right? This is gonna decide if I'm gonna buy this video game or not coming out here. You know what I mean? If not, then I gotta wait for next week. Know what I mean? But yeah, could wait for the 15-minute to close because it does look like it's closing here in about an hour and 40 minutes. And if it closed engulfing, it just gave me an extra confirmation. I just jumped the gun because sometimes gold, it's not always going to give you the opportunities that it wants to give you. It could just have, kept going. That's why I entered already 0.5%. And I will dynamic risk enter the next position. But I do have to see real quick where my 18 seconds. Coordinates 18. It's just kind of stuck right now, dude. It is kind of stuck right now. I would kind of want this to close a little bit bullish. Because if it doesn't, what do you think's going to happen? If this 30-minute doesn't close bullish, the next 30-minute candle is going to swallow that whole wick and probably stop me out. That's just the ugly truth. But I'm not tripping. Because I'm not risking. Chill. Mikasa, welcome. Want to go along at 1885? Well, you want to go along at 1885? Then you got to go along there, brother. I don't know what to tell you. It's your account. Angel Mostas, 1883 target, then up. What is that? 1883 target, then up. That was my first idea. Until I saw the 15-minute candle engulfing, and I jumped the gun and entered on the half a risk. Now I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to make a bottom wick to then potentially continue higher, right? Potentially. Let's see how the 1 hour closed. The 1 hour candle closed. Okay. But we closed below here. That's not good. 4 hour closing, not closing yet. This might take a swindle and take a shit on me. 30 minute. Yeah. So now it's drawdown, whatever. So now let's just see what it wants to do, right? So if price comes down into the area it rejected and it rejects again. Give me a second, I'm getting a phone call. All right, I'm back. So yeah, so what could happen now is this 30-minute candle, or right, for it to come down here. I did jump the gun because it didn't engulf. Fuck it, it is what it is. Now these candles could come down here, reject again, and on the lower time frame, I'll enter again. Right, for a better position. So now all you gotta do is wait. Fuck it, I'm in the trade. It is gonna it's either gonna knock me out or it's either gonna take me to my stop loss. Right? I know what I'm risking. Not a lot, honestly. Half a risk. Right? So yeah. If we win, we win. Perfect. I kinda wanna add another position. Cause like half a risk, profit's not that big. Right? 1883 target and up. Why, Angel? Mostas? If you can explain to me why, then I can agree with you. I mean, it's simple. Why, but haha, crazy. Made -1%. Varsity about to be hectic from next week, so I withdrew everything and I'll be back in March. So I'm just chilling. Nice 7% though. Oh, you play varsity? Basketball or football? Or what do you mean varsity? Kind of not there, bro. What do you mean? Want to go long at 1885? I already saw these comments. Yeah, go ahead, bro. Do your thing. 1883 didn't go up. Yeah, I'm in some buys right now. Right. Don't be surprised when volume kicks in and fucking drops or fucking flies. Now this 1 hour candle needs to come back down and reject again. It needs to do that. When you say gold will always get you in, you was right. During London session, I missed the 1790 first time buys. But then the pre-London, it came straight down to 1790. I entered and got like 50 pips. Fuck yeah, bro. Gold, you'll never miss a move on gold, bro. Never. Never, ever, 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 ever miss a move. Oh. School. What do you play, bro? football, soccer. I used to play basketball. Um, I used to play basketball. I used to be a freshman and I played varsity on the bench. And then sophomore year I started. Well, like the half of sophomore year. So like the first half of sophomore season I was on the bench. Second half I started. And then junior and senior year I started. And I got a scholarship invite from Boulder. I rejected. Came to Europe. Fuck that, bro. I hated school, bro. You know what I mean? I just love to hoop. Played a little football. I was a little running back. Used to get in the cut. I used to get fucked up, dude. I'm not that big. I'm like 5'10". So fucking, I used to get ramsacked, bro. Going through those holes, bro. I used to try to dodge and stick and move. It never worked. I always got hit. I did always make the first down, though. Sir, where are you from? I'm from Denver, Colorado, but I currently live in a small city in Europe. Oh, this is not good. 5 minutes engulfing. 15 minutes coming down. Very slow though. 30 minutes coming down. Like I said, I knew it was gonna come down. You gotta keep your composure. Voila, bro. I get 10 to 15 pips consistently. Do you think it's enough? You have to ask yourself that. Like, is it paying your bills? Are you happy? Cause what I always do, right? When I look at my phone and I see like, oh, okay, yeah, nice. We're going into. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. I think like this, bro. Minimum wage in Belgium. I just said where I'm from. Fuck. Is 1,500 a month. So let's open up the calculator. Whoops. That's minimum wage. That's nothing, right? So if you make 50 bucks every day for a month straight, you make your minimum wage in Forex. So in all honesty, for me, being me, because I want to be better than average, right? I want to always step up higher. For me personally, and this is when the humbleness comes in, is when I see 50 bucks on my screen or on my thing, sometimes I fucking cut it. Now, my account is a decent size, so I get 50 bucks fairly easy. But back when I used to trade like 0.10, 0.15, dude, I used to snatch that money so fast, bro. I didn't even care, right? So I look at it like that. Look at your minimum wage from where you're from, and you gotta be happy. You gotta remember where you came from, right? You're not rich, otherwise you wouldn't be in the stream chilling. I don't think no one here is rich, like rich. Otherwise you wouldn't be here chilling, right? We're all trying to get there. So if you make 10 to 15 pips consistently and you like the profits that you're making, keep making those profits. Right? Keep making those 10 to 15 pips. Simple, bro. If the 10 to 15 pips pay your fucking bills, why change it? 10 pips are baby pips, guy. They are little pips. It's not a lot. But if that's putting food on his table and it's feeding his fucking mouth and doing whatever, then fucking let him take 10 pips. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? Gotta respect the money. You gotta respect the money. Don't fucking chase the money. Let the money come to you, papa. By the night? What you laughing at, boy? Coming in the wrong chat, just laughing. I'll flame your ass up if you wanna laugh. Oh. Don't fuck with me, boy. I am known for making people feel bad. Roasting the fuck out of them. So yeah, anyway, back to Mr. Fuck, who was it? Oh, Mr. Navman. Yeah, do your thing, bro. I don't understand these people sometimes, bro. Do I trade with any indicators? Yes. If you find them on my screen, you know which ones. Okay, I swear if you play with one lot, 8 pips, you have your daily income. Exactly. It's Leon, you're crazy, bro. 20 pips a day consistently. Will you rich, brother? Will you rich, brother? Yes, will I rich, brother? Yeah, but that's how a lot of great traders started. Like I remember watching Q Banks. He was like, "Man, if you can get 20 pips consistently, your money grows. Your money grows. At a point in time, it's gonna get so easy, right? You get 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. The money doesn't even care anymore. Why? Because it's so easy for you to catch 20 pips. You know what I mean? And then once you have a lot of money, say you have an account for a fucking, who knows, bro? Like, let's just say 50K, right? 20 pips, 5 lot. What is that? 50. Oh my god, I'm so slow right now. There you have it. That's $1,000 every day. It's 5K a week. Probably with losses, you end up 3K a week. Right? 12K a month. 120 a year. Well, 140 around there. Quickly added up. Right? Now, me personally, I just like to do 1 to 2 win ratios and build my account that way. But I also withdraw from my account because I have bills and I have shit, you know, fucking grown man things, grown man problems. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could be a fucking kid again, dude. I used to play in the fucking mud and shit all the damn time, man. Now I gotta fucking pay bills and fuck that. Hate that shit. $1,000 account compounding 1% per year per day is almost 1 million in 1 year. I'll take you up to that challenge. Let's see if that's true. Forex compound calculator. Let's see here, Mr. Astro Creep. Why is your name Astro Creep, bro? Okay, Astro, I understand, but why you creep? Percent a month. So you say 1% a day, it's 30% a month. And we're going for a year. You lied to me. You lied to me. Yes, I cry. Yes, I cry. You lied to me. 1% a day is not 30 a month. Oh no. No, he's right. He's right. Cause he's right. You're right. Cause we only trade what? 5, 10, 15, 20 days a week. Oh my god, how would I type this into Google? Crypto markets are Yeah, he's right. Jerome, you are 100% right. I forgot. I'm just broadly thinking here. That'd be fucked up if some fucked up shit popped in the chat right here. 20%, yeah. Thanks, buddy. Okay, let's go back. No. Oh, wait. Come on, dude. Can't I count? 5 days a fucking month? I'm fried right now. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, it doesn't. Anyway, the point is made. Fucking Astro Creep, you wrong. Stop making me happy. Because then I have like 10 accounts for $1,000. You know what I mean? Now let's see, like 10,000, and like people get it all fucked up, bro. 20% a month is wrong. I shoot for 10% a month. You know what I mean? 22. Okay, I'll look at 22 here. Yeah, look, I shoot for minimum 10% a month. That's beautiful. I mean, it's okay. Okay, it's 10K balance, 1%. Mr. Giano with the smiley face helped me out. He said it's 22. I'm not gonna do any math. I'm gonna let the Forex calculator do the math. You still don't come up to a million, bro. You still don't know, or your calculations is wrong because it's 10K, 22 a month for 12 months straight. You come up to 89K. You know what I mean? So probably need 100K. Let's see what you need to make a million. Yeah, almost. Almost. No, you come up to 100? Yeah. Almost, though. Hey, this is kind of actually insane. This is like the most viewers I've had. It's actually 22%. Bro, what is it? What? What? I just typed it in, bro. Starting balance 10K. Wait, let me check my trade, dude. Oof. Let's not look at it. 12. Oh. Oh, shit. Here's the end results. Whoops. I was looking at here. My bad. So, yeah, you make 108K. Let me scroll up real quick. Chill vibes in here. Thanks, you Bilbo. Bilbos are the shit as well. You know, on The Hobbit, Lord of the Rings, Bilbos are Bilbo Baggins. He's cool, little dwarf. He got a lot of balls for being a dwarf. 1% a day, not 30. My favorite song, man. Yeah, that song's fucking lit. You know what I mean? Market ain't open on weekends though. Yeah, 20%. Okay. You have to compound effects as well. Yeah, I don't compound. I mean, I pay bills, dude. So whatever is left over at the end, I keep it. You know what I mean? Smaller time frames gives a lot of fake signals. Yeah, they do. But you gotta know what signals to take and which ones you don't. You gotta really know what to wait for. I trade on a 5 minute a lot. 100K in SA is 1.5 mil. What is SA? Well, it can have some clapping hands. This guy is 32 pips up. Man, give him some love. My man. Yeah, bro, I'm happy for you. Like I said, I'm not hating. But I'll tell you one thing. If I see rejection here, I'm still gonna stick to my plan. Oh, SA South Africa. Oh, okay. Damn, so you a baller, huh? In South Africa. Damn. That's lit. That's lit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man, I fucking drawdown, dude. It's fine. So if I see another rejection here, I swear I'm gonna enter another buy. I kind of want it to come tap into this area. Because what I really want right now is I really want this 15-minute candle to flip. Otherwise, it's hit. It's done. See, now the 9-minute, or the 9-minute, the 30-minute candle is doing exactly what it needs to do. Exactly what I said it needs to do. Now, if it's going to stop me out, it could. Potentially could. Right? But good job, Happiness, bro. You did a good job. You said I'm going to sell here, and I was in buys here. Now, you are up. You said 32 pips. Very good job. Nasty drawdown. It's okay, bro. It's only what? Part of the game. It's only 26 pips. Only. It's a lot. You gotta let it breathe. And if it does want to stop me out, I don't think you were here by when I entered the trade. My confirmations were there. Trade just didn't play out in my favor. And I'm only risking 0.5%. And I'm looking to risk my other half down here, right? So, but I don't see anything for me to add another position. It's all part of the game. If you can't stand, do you see any emotion on my face? Do you see me crying because there's drawdown? No. I'm chilling, bro. Chilling, talking to you guys. 100%. Oh, dude, some of you guys' English is fucked. Are you start buying? I've been buying. I draw down. Now, draw down, brother. Good friend. I'm in drawdown now. About to get stopped out. It is what it is. Well, these are your words. If major people sell, I buy. That's what I'm doing. you were selling, bro. I buy. You know what I mean? Come on, dude. Ja, schat, ik kan hier niet eten. Ik zit hier op de live. Dat ziet je toch? Alright. Wow, these are your words, yes. 70% of retails are selling gold, so yeah, I'm buying it. I mean, it makes sense why they're selling it. I mean, look, we had a push down correction, push down to the lower areas, but now, you know what I mean? Are you single? Are you single? I'll tell you if I'm single if you're single. Mr. GK. Are you single, bro? Single, I mean. I stream every day, yeah. I am not single. Single? I'm not either, bro. Yes, my girl did come in. She cooked me breakfast. But I told her I'm not going to eat in front of you guys. Kind of rude. Because I eat like a pig. Unfortunately, what? You get abused? Your girlfriend beats you up? Let me find out your girlfriend beat your ass. You're not happy. Why are you not happy, sir? Tell me why you're not happy. He said, unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not single. I get beat up, you know? I mean, it depends how you live, bro. Yeah, I know what you mean, 100%, bro. I'm just messing with you. Yeah, so it looks like I'm hit. It looks like my 0.5% is down the drain. When do you start your streams? I mean, times vary. So, but it's normally like in the morning from like 11, 10:30, 11ish in that area. If you want to join the Telegram, I always post when I'm live in there, right? But it's always between like 10:30. What's your win percent? This month I'm at 7%. Or this month, sorry, this week I'm at 7% win. 7% gains for the week. This is 0.5%. That's I'm risking on my. I wanted to put. I might put another 0.5% down here somewhere because I planned this out. So if I lose this trade, I'll be up 6% for the month. Pretty good. Telegram links in the chat, bro. So. Okay, so maybe if we get an engulfing right here on the lower time frames, I'll enter again. I'll enter my other 0.5% risk. Let's see here. And then I'll be totally in for 1%. All right. I did exactly as I said. Now I'm in for 1%. So if I lose this trade, my second entry is here. So say I lose this trade, then I'm still up 6% for the week. I mean, wow, pretty good, right? So I have entry here, stops below. This is a bigger entry because it's a small, or it's a bigger size because it's a smaller stop. So yeah, so one entry at the green line at the engulfing, like I said I was gonna do. This is why I planned it out the whole time. Same stop loss, right? Same stop loss. It's actually a little lower than this, but it is what it is. Somewhere like right in here. Drop the Telegram link. Oh, I did. But you're. Oh, you meant like win rate. I mean, dude, it all varies, dude. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, last month, the end of the last month, I was like getting striked out left or right, but I still would end up in profit, but like not much. So it all depends, dude. I mean, I don't really look at the win rate. I just want 10% a month. That's it, man. If I can get 10% a month, I'm a very humble guy. When I get 10% a month, sometimes I just stop trading, right? Like I just stop trading. And like I just explained to the dudes that was in here before, you got to remember where you come from, where I'm from, where I live. Monthly, a minimum wage is 1,500 euros a month, and you would need 50 bucks a day trading to get that goal, right? So a little bit more than 50, and that's what I strive for, you know. So now one position's in drawdown, but the other position's in profit, and now this whole trade's in profit. So I could cut it now and call it a day, but it's not a lot. We're gonna let this run. Um, I executed exactly on what I said I wanted it to do. I told you guys exactly that it's gonna do this, and it exactly did that. Now, can I share a signal, please? No, please don't, because a lot of people get confused, bro. You could, you could send me a chart, bro, and explain it. Why? Just don't send signals, right? Like okay, honestly, I did send this signal out, but I explained it from the beginning. I said, well, if we're rejecting here, then this and this and this can happen. Now the 15-minute rejected again plus close support. Now we just gotta wait, man. Now we just gotta wait. Once volume kicks in, where the fuck do you think we're gonna go? We're not gonna go to fucking. We're gonna come get these Asian highs because we just rated the Asian lows. We're bullish already as it is, and this could turn into a big ass fake out, bro. Or it could just fucking take a big shit and stop me out. It's part of the game. I got my confirmations. The first confirmation was getting in here on. So first we're at my zone, right? And I anticipated this candle to keep going and close engulfing. It didn't close engulfing. Fine. Price came down, and I said, well, if we come down here and we reject and there's price action candles telling me it's ready to buy, I will buy. Exactly what I did. I said, okay, we came down, we're rejecting. Now, as soon as this candle here breaks above the previous candle, I will anticipate this 5-minute candle to engulf at my zone, and I will enter a buy. That's exactly what I did. Right? What about the month up to now? What do you mean? BD Muema. Original name, brother. 10:30. What time zone? I don't know. Brussels time. I live in Brussels. Well, close to Brussels. Brussels time zone. I don't know what that is. I aim for 50% win rate. The RR does the rest. My man said it the best. Cool. Last week, did 3 trades in EU, lost 2, won 1, was up 4%. It's that simple. I mean, like, look at this. Why do I always preach go for a 2-to-1 win rate? Astro Creep, you could be my witness. I say this shit every time. You need a fucking at least a 1-to-2. So, okay, let's do this, right? Okay, here, boom, boom, right? Now I'm in 2 positions here, risking 1% total. 24 pips. I need a 1-to-2. Which is right here on the lower position. A 1-to-2 on the bigger position is up here. Right? So it all depends on what price wants to do, man. Honestly, what I think it's gonna do is gonna consolidate here for a bit, and once volume kicks in, it's gonna go fucking do 1 or 2 other things. But we're still bullish. We've already had 2 bullish confirmations here at our zone, so I think this is just a big fake out to continue higher. Is Belgium more expensive than America? No, America's expensive as fuck, bro. Belgium's really cheap. Especially like the housing and like the food is also very cheap. Like America, you pay taxes on everything, so you know, for the Americans in here, if you go to the store and you buy a brisk for 99 cents, you end up paying $1.07. It's probably like $1.10 now, or a brisk is probably $1.10 by itself. So Belgium's very cheap, bro. I mean, not very cheap, still kind of expensive in a way. It depends on how you live or what you're doing as a, you know, what you're doing with your money. But yeah, dude. When does money come in? In 30? What do you mean, when does money come in, bro? You want to send me money? Here's my PayPal, brother. Memes FX. This is a sell, though. If you're in sales, I'm happy for you, bro. That's the difference. I entered all my confirmations, and that's my confirmations. You know what I'm saying? If this is a sell, you're in a sell, I'm very happy for you. Trust. What's his name up here? Mr. Fruits. Happiness Fruits. He was in the sell. I'm happy for him. Right? I know what I'm doing. If it doesn't work out this time, it'll work out on Monday. You know what I mean? I'm up 7% for the week. This is 1% risked on 2 trades, fully explained into detail. And if I lose this trade, I won't be able to buy the video game because that will be the extra money for the video game, and I'll be up 6%. You know what I mean? Love, bro. Yes, love, bro. I'm very humble, dude. If you're in sales, I want you to make money. 100%. Everyone sees the market different. I can see buys here. You can see sells here, and another idiot can see it fucking making a triangle here and flipping upside down. You know what I mean? You've got my sub. Much love, memes. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. It's actually the most views I've gotten all, like, in the whole time I've been live, so progress is coming. So yeah. I mean, all I'm doing is just executing my plan. Same shit over and over. It's repetitive. Now both of my positions are in profit. Not by a lot. The lower position, like I said, is up 19 pips. And this position's up like 2 pips. 5 pips. Alright. So now we're just going to let it play out. And just let it do its thing, man. I mean, now, okay, yeah, let's see. So now the 1 hour rejected here again, and we're kind of pushing up. But the area that I kind of want to pay attention to is this area right here. Let me make that orange. That's an area that's, gotta be careful, right? Dulene Fernando, thank you, bro, for the sub. I appreciate it. I've been saying it. I've been procrastinating, but um, fucking, I need to really get into my stream elements or whatever that app's called and really start making it like a little more cozy in here because it's just me talking and that's the only thing you guys hear. So I need to add some music and the other shenanigans, and when someone subscribes, I'll probably have like a, I don't know. Congrats, bro, Guala, you're nice in profits, Mr. Fruits. I hope you collected profits. I said, I said, I said to you. So Mr. Chief, okay, so Mr. Chief entered. I entered buys here based on this candle engulfing on the 15-minute. I anticipated to close, engulfing, but it didn't. Mr. Chief sold here and got his money. I was happy for him, right? And it didn't engulf, and I said, yeah, it's gonna come down, and as soon as it comes down and it shows another rejection, I'm gonna enter. Well, exactly what I did. You had your 5-minute candle right here. You had your 5-minute candle right here that, price came down, kind of faked you out right here by breaking the structure on the lower time frame. Price rejected, no bottom wick, came up. I entered as soon as the candle broke, and now, one trade is up about 23 pips, and the other one is up like probably like 7, 5, chilling. This is a very nice trade. Thank you, Chief. Abidi Muema. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Do I stream every day? I try to. You know what I mean? I try to. What keeps me from trading every day is when I get on at like 8 in the morning to like look at the markets and I find a setup. Say if I win that setup, I kind of just want to run away from my computer. You know what I mean? Cause then the longer I stay on my computer, the more I want to trade. So if I win, I don't like to go live, cause then I'm explaining and then I'll end up fucking around taking a trade my damn self. So I try to stream at least every day. Just I gotta work on my cycle a little bit. Right. Now let me manage one trade real quick on the lower time frames because I have a 23 pip stop and I'm up 24 pips. So I have an option on one trade, right? On the lower time frame trade. Since I'm up 1-to-1 on this trade right here, I could take put one trade to break even. Right? I could. Will I? I don't know yet. Well, maybe a private question, but do you have a job besides trading? No. I play Tarkov. 1890. It's at 1890, my brother. Yeah. I know what you mean. 1890, I got that as well. But honestly, I think we're gonna, after this candle, these two candles, bro, let me tell you something. You will want this candle, if this 1 hour candle closes like this, there's no more fucking sells. Stop looking for sells, please. Because the New York volume is gonna keep the momentum. It's gonna rage your Asian highs. Right? 100%. 100%. If 1890, like you said, if this rejects right now, then we most definitely could still come down. You know what I mean? But I'm still in. I'm up in profits right now. Everything's closing how I want, except the 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. Now, what's very crucial here is the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle is going to decide on if this trade is going to be a winner or a loser for me, right? Because in all honesty, our main goal is to close above this support. If we end up closing above this support, then this is just liquidity to push higher. So it's basically just on the, this trade's based on the 1 hour, dude. If the 1 hour closes like this, ooh wee, then we're in good. Then we're Gucci, you know what I mean? Well, maybe you probably. Oh yeah, you already answered that. Trading alone is kind of boring. It's nice to have some company. Yeah, I traded alone for like a long time. I used to just listen to music and just trade, just chill, watch videos, whatever the fuck, get time by. Trading alone, yeah. Do you take the DXY also in consideration? Kind of bullish. No, I don't look at the DXY. It's good to look at it from time to time, but you know what it is? I only trade gold, and I feel like, and there's a lot of times how I feel like I've been trading gold for like 3 years now, and a lot of things are like the DXY. It's all a big propaganda bullshit scam. You know what I mean? Like there's been times where the dollar's going up, right? I even said it's going up from here anyway, but there's been times when the dollar's going up and gold's going up at the same time. When there's been times where they're both coming down. It's a big scam. So I really don't look at the DXY as much. I just try to focus on one pair, like gold right now, and just keep the analysis that I have, just keep it in mind and just follow it. You know what I mean? And now, honestly, the DXY and the Ukraine, and now you could just aggro buy it, honestly. Now, I mean, not aggro buy. You still gotta pay attention to the daily and the whatever, but you could aggro buy it now, cause fucking Ukraine and stuff like that, bro. They're going ham over there. That's scaring a lot of people away. You know what I mean? Nice. I'm working to that also to get better in trading first. Yeah, I mean, I had a job too, bro. Trust, I fucking hated working. Fuck that. I was in the army before here, bro. Fuck that. And I was a manager at Timberland. I did my job time. I did my work. Stepping stones, right? If your parents don't give you the same, if your parents don't give you the plate. Wait, my camera's off the whole time. Whoops. Hey. So if your camera, or oh my god, if your parents don't give you $50,000 to trade with from the beginning, then you gotta start somewhere, dude. I didn't come from a rich family, you know what I mean? So I worked, I saved up, I invested in myself, I invested in a lot of courses. I took a lot of courses. I've lost a lot of money learning this. Now I'm profitable. You know what I mean? What are your entry confirmations, bro? Okay, perfect. Let's go over that real quick. So I have 2 positions open, risking 1% here. And one entry confirmation, or first we're at 4 hour support. So this on the 4 hour time frame is just gonna be your wick, right? It's gonna snatch the Asian lows money like it did. Asian lows, that's why I have it marked up. It came in here, grabbed all the stop losses from Asian lows, right? You gotta always keep that in the back of your mind, right? Now the 15-minute, I was anticipating this 15-minute candle right here at 11:45. I saw it engulf, and I trade price action, and 15-minute engulfing candles on gold, they make you a lot of money. Backtest it when you're at support, when you're at resistance, look for 15-minute engulfing candles. And I like to practice what I preach. So I said, well, if this 15-minute candle breaks above here, I'll enter, and with the thoughts of it and with anticipating it to go higher, right? Because a lot of times, sometimes you don't have the luxury of it coming in, engulfing and closing, engulfing somewhere about right here. No, sometimes it just keeps going and it closes right here. But say price engulfs right here, you can't have a fucking 66 pip stop loss unless you're fucking, right? So that was one entry, which is right here, which is currently just basically like 10 pips in profit. And then my second entry was on this 30-minute candle right here. This was that 15-minute candle we took. I'm like, okay, now I know that we're closing like this, but we rejected. If this 30-minute candle at 12 a.m. or p.m. comes down and I see rejection and I see price action on the lower time frame, I'll enter on the lower time frame. Now I'm going to tell you the confirmations on the lower time frame. 1, we're at support. Why not buy support? 2, it gave you a fake out. And 3, this is kind of like a double bottom. Now as soon as price here, I saw this 5-minute candle. I said, well, once price breaks above here, I'll enter. And that's how I got my second entry. Right? Which is this right here. You know what I mean? And that was my other 0.5%. So now I'm in 1% risk in this trade. And for this trade, I'll look for a 2-to-1, which is risking twice the risk, right? And for this trade, I'm looking, this will be like the long-term trade. I won't leave it open for the weekend though. That's one thing I won't do. That's how you get burnt. So now I'm targeting the Asian highs, right? So actually I could take this up here and I could TP with my 5-minute time frame. I could TP here. And then once we get 1-to-1 in the higher time frame, which is this one, 1-to-1, 40 pips. Once I'm up 40 pips, I'll put this one at break even. So somewhere about here, right? So yeah, that's how I caught that trade, bro. Those are my entry confirmations, and I've said it. I said it. Okay, we close like this. I mean, rewind the stream, bro. I explained it even in real life time to the T, and it played out exactly how I wanted it to. And now it's only a matter of time we get to TP, hopefully. What's your win rate, bro? It depends, bro. From week to week, month to month, it all depends. I mean, like an example, last month I had a terrible win rate, but I still came out, in profit. I still made my 10%. Barely, I ain't gonna lie, but I still made it. I was still able to live and pay my bills for that month and not go to work. You know what I mean? It's all part of it, But a lot of times I'm at like a 50 to 60 win rate. Sometimes I have really good days in the months in the markets and it shoots up to like 65. But I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and tell you that I have a 90% win rate. I don't. That's just the fucking truth. I have a consistently 55, 57, somewhere in the 50 to 60%. But my wins are fucking big and my losses, there you have my losses. 0.5% here, 0.5% here, that's 1% combined. You know what I mean? You shouldn't be really tripping. So we have 9 minutes left for this 1 hour candle. Now we are at a very crucial area. You actually will want this 1 hour candle to close above this support and will really be good. Or what also I'm thinking is what it could do here now as well is get a lot of people to fake out right before 2, which is in like another hour, right? So in 1 hour or 9 minutes, we have volume time, right? So with volume, we might push up, or we might reject here and fucking crash. This trade still isn't in the green. This trade's good. This 5-minute entry trade is in the green. This 15-minute candle, this 15-minute trade is still not up a lot. You know what I mean? I have a 40 pip stop, so I'm looking for 80 pips here. You know what I mean? 80 pips is actually right here. Right? So my actually perfect right here. That's extra. You know what I mean? You're trading on prop firm? Yes, I'm funded. Wicks don't lie? No, they don't. That's also Roger's name. What is his name? I ask a lot of questions, bro, if you don't mind. That's what it's here for. That's what I'm here for, bro. You know, the stream's only as boring as you guys make it. Because if you guys don't ask me questions, I don't have nothing to rattle about. I'll just sit here in silence and watch my trade and, you know. So go ahead, man. Send the fucking chart in. I'll accept it. I'll if you send a chart in, I'll get to it. FTMO saved me from my job though. Platforms that provide opportunity. Yes, if you can trade and if you're profitable and you know how to manage risk, yes, 100%. But if you can't even, there's a lot of people that don't even know how to risk, like that don't even know how to fucking compound $100 account. Don't start a fucking trading account, or don't start with a prop firm. I just caught the gold drop and made 110 bands. That's good. The man's more wealthier than I. The same moves I'm catching, I'll just say like 100. He'll make 1,000. He has more money. He has bigger lot size. That's normal. How do you send a chart? So if you go, I don't even know, bro, honestly. So if you go, I think, if you go like here and you copy this and you send that in the chat, I think that's it. And then I just have to paste it and put it like right here somewhere or something. I mean, but yeah, that's the difference. Dude has a lot of money. Of course he's gonna make. Of course he's gonna make fucking 10 bands. Stop looking at what other people make, bro. Well, focus on yourself, man. Like, the dude's a millionaire. The dude he's done his dues, right? Oh yeah, fucking right. That's exactly how you do it. You go here and then you go to fucking no. You go here and then you go, where's the link? Okay, but then you copy the link and then you paste it. So you paste it here. And then and then see like right here? See like right here? And you send this. So get rid of the trading view and then the dash you send. You know what I mean? Click the camera in the top right. Oh yeah, but like I was saying, hi bro, what's your thoughts on my Forex fund? Their broker sucks. I use them. The broker's garbage. I use them. I can say that shit. Their broker's garbage. Spreads are like 2 pips. Commissions are too expensive. And I got slipped one time very bad and they didn't give me my money back. So, I'm just gonna keep on seeing if I can build a relationship with them for the long run. If I can't, I'll just go somewhere else. And I have enough money of my own to trade, so I don't really need a prop firm. Those are extras. But yeah, like I was saying with Roger, that man, he already did his, he worked, he failed, now he succeeds. That's the part, that's the path, right? You have to, it's all part of the plan, bro. 23, let me manage these trades right here. 23, Okay. So with one trade I'm up 2-1. With this 5-minute trade I'm up 2-1. Right? I'm gonna close half on that trade. Know what I mean? Whoops. So I just closed half on this trade right here when it hit 2-1 on my 5-minute trade, which is I didn't really get there, but good enough. You know, fuck it. You know what I mean? Closed half. See now, if I close everything right now, I made another percent. I could go get that video game I want. That's how you trade, man. Fuck. Is the downtrend started? Let me tell you if the downtrend started or not. And I'm actually also gonna put that one at BE. Whoa. Give me a second here. Let me look at how these candles are closing here in 2 minutes. Yeah, give me 2 minutes and I'll tell you how I feel about the downtrend and stuff like that. Give me a second, bro. I got you, Richard. Last. Give me a second. Classic double bottom retest. Yes, sir. How many trades you take in a day, win or loss? I take. It depends. I risk 1% a day. So, so how I go about things. So this is actually very dangerous. I have to be careful here. Give me a second. Sorry, I have to really just watch these real quick. Okay, so the 1 hour closes in 1 minute above here, which is good because it needs to break and retest and respect. 30-minute engulfed. 15-minute pushing up very strong. 5-minute candles are doing what they need to do. Sorry, guys. I just want to see how this 1 hour closes. I need this 1 hour to close right where it's at right now. That'll be perfect. Now, keep in mind. So the 1 hour close like this. Now, I'm gonna already draw my support, right? This is the support now. Newfound support on the 1 hour. Right? Look at the 4 hour. I'll get to everyone's questions here in a bit. This is a little bit more important. Ooh. Yeah, I need to close above, man. Come on, dude. Push up in there. So okay. So this next 1 hour candle, so we created support, right? So this next 1 hour candle that's opening right now, what it might do is, see, this is what I call a bridge. See how this 1 hour candle couldn't break the next, ooh, wait, don't go too fast. So what I'm looking at for this 1 hour candle to do is come down here, wick down again, right? Wick into the bodies, maybe even here. Show confirmations on the 5-minute time frame, and then continue higher, right? Okay. All right. All right, now let me get to the questions. Everything closed is planned now. I might have to brace myself for my bigger position to come down into this support area, which will then put me right back at break even. All right. So, let me get back to these questions real quick. How do we send a chart in? Okay, bro. So, go to this picture, right? And then you do copy link. And then let's go here. Get rid of that. Paste it. Get rid of this. And you send this. Okay. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay. For chart, you need to click take snapshot first. Is downtrend started? So, sir, I'm gonna tell you something that's very important in the markets, which you really need to, which you really need to pay attention to when you're trading every single time. Fuck it, this is basics. Higher highs and higher lows. I do have a video on it on my YouTube channel. Go and check that shit out, bro. It's very important. It's very crucial, bro. It's very important that you know your higher highs and higher lows. So right, we have higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? And then boom, we made a lower low, and then we made a lower high. Now this should actually make a lower low, but we're closing above, right? That's why I was looking at buys right here, but we didn't reach that level. So now we closed below here, but then it faked out. So now we should actually keep pushing up higher. Higher highs and higher lows. You go to the 4 hour. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So, oh, and that was on the 1 hour time frame, bro. On the 4 hour time frame, here's your higher low. Wait, higher high, higher low. Here's your higher low. On the 4 hour time frame, if this 4 hour candle or any 4 hour candle closes below this red zone, then you broke structure, BOS, right? Then you need to break, run away from it, come back, retest it, create resistance again to then come lower. That's when your break structure is confirmed. That's when your trend will change on the 4 hour. Daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're still bullish until we break this right here. Until you break below, break, retest, come back here, create a resistance to then make a lower low. Why does it fucking be all squiggly and stuff, right? If you don't know your higher highs and higher lows, go to the video I sent or that I made. It's my first video. Most important. Is the downtrend started? Oh yeah. Classic double bottom retest, yes sir. How many trades do you take a day, win or loss? I think I already answered these questions, man. I take one or two trades. I don't risk more than 1%. So if I win my first trade, I'm done. Don't even look back. Check my sell. Send a chart. Send a chart. I'll check it. You're gonna be here on New York Open. I have to go to the barber shop. I don't know. Here comes New York money. Well, yo, what's good? I've been gone for a minute. Oh, what's up, Brian? I remember you. Been gone for a minute. What happened to the gang? You and Luke were legends. And where's Michelle? So I don't know where they all went. I still have contact with Luke. That's the only person I still have contact with every day. Like I talk to Luke every day. The rest, like I don't know, they just disappeared. Everyone's kind of doing their own. So I don't know, man. I already did, bro. I can't see it. Scroll up, see if I missed something. I can't see nothing, bro. Sorry, I can't see that you pasted the chart. Voila, how is tax works in Belgium? You must pay tax. I have a friend there, but he don't know. Pay. Probably have the, oh, I do have the top chat selected. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro, I'm so sorry, bro. Oh my god. I didn't even know that shit existed. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. Yeah, I kind of don't know what it's. It says I see break structure. I see a trend line to the downside. I see a 38.20. Um, 1877 targeting. Yeah, possibly. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Okay, so hey man, no problem. Switch to live chat while you probably at the fucking live. Okay, so now look here. I already collected profits on this trade. Send it again, bro. If you send it now, I'll get it. 100%. I'm on live chat now. I can see everything going live. You know what I mean? So see, I'm gonna manage one trade. All right, I'm gonna close half on one trade. Wait. I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stick to my fucking buys. The fuck? I said exactly that it's gonna do this. Price is gonna come here. If it doesn't respect, then I'm fucked. But let it come down first and see what it does at this support area. Okay. Who sent that trade? That was memes trade. TP reset to 1871. Let's see, free trade already. 1871. Oh damn, everyone's shorting against me, huh? Oh damn. Okay, let's see. Check mine. Send it again, bro. I got you this time. I didn't have it on live chat. I had it on, I think, most recent chat or most popular. What the fuck? I don't know. Check mine. Yeah, bro, Ichileon. Oh, Ichileon's only laughing, bro. Only love, bro. Yes, sir. Only love. I mean, I'm very humble. If I lose, I lose. But then he wins and I'm happy. I still made my profits for the week. I'm happy for the week. I still made my weekly, my goals. So I'm happy. If I lose this trade, I'm up 6%. It's pretty good. I'm not tripping at all. Relaxed. You know what I mean? Can I send a chart? Sure, bro. KVMEV DSSQWQW. Push that hammer down, buddy. Oh, damn. Push it down. Push the hammer down. If you're in sales, I hope you win. With all due respect, but I'm in buys. It is what it is. Either or is gonna win. %. How do you see, buddy, the 4-hour chart? How do I see the 4-hour chart? I see the 4-hour chart fucking rejecting like crazy right now. If you want price to continue lower, you need to break here, first of all. So there's times, see now, this is it, right? We're already rejecting, right? So if volume comes in and the volume and the price action is still on the buying side, this shit's gonna fucking flip, fake everyone out, and then you're hit. Sorry. But that's how I see the 4-hour chart. We're still bullish, dude. We're still bullish. It's better to buy now than if you're selling, I would only fucking sell right here. We went over the confirmations for these sells that you could have took right here. This is already a little fucked up to sell. I mean, you know what I mean? That's just me. It's just me, man. if you guys are on buys, if you guys are in sells, I'm happy for you. I hope you win. I really do. Genuinely hope you win. You know what I mean? I hope you win. How do you see? It looks. That's a down direction continuation. It looks like that, but it can look like that, but it needs to close first. That's what it needs to do. It needs to close first, bro. Where's the live chat? No, it's for the. It's like when you go like top left. You see, like I had it on top chat, but you got to switch it to live chat, right? Yeah, bro. GK, bro, send your chart. I got you. I'll check it out. Send it again, bro. I got you. I'll check it out 100%, bro. No bullshit. I'm just waiting. You know, I don't see it pop up, so I can't look at it if I don't know where it's at. I've already scrolled up to look for it. I can't find it. Let me look again. No, I can't. I can only go up so far. That's it. Oh, I found another chart. It's from Sharif. See, I can't find your chart, bro. So send it again, and I got you 100%. Let's see Sharif. Okay. Ooh, I stopped out. That's okay. Took sales, 18 pip profit. Waited for the retest of the hourly, and then entered sells with stop loss above daily resistance level. Gold. So you entered here. Did your TP hit or did you get stopped out? Profit took 18 profit. Waited for the retest of the hourly, and then entered sells with stop loss above the daily resistance. I don't. So see, at this point, you know, when you have two candles rejecting right here, like this is the candle I said this was my confirmation candle, and then this is my buying candle, and this is the continuation candle, right? It's also at a rejection area on the 15-minute support. And if you're looking for sells, dude, the next possibility that I would look at is just right here, honestly, for sells in this area, or up here again. You know what I mean? Let it come up, let it do its thing, let it come in here, wick up a couple times, grab these highs, and then look for sells. But that right there was already too low because you're selling 4-hour support as well. You know what I mean? Let price. So you sold right here. I hope you got your pips. I hope you closed. I hope you didn't lose. But let me look at the 5-minute real quick. Okay. Slowly coming down. 15-minute. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Let's see here. 2-hour candle. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta wait for volume. You too, mate. So much success. Yeah, bro. Success to you as well, bro. 100%. I hope you win. 100%. How many pairs do I trade? 1. Gold. That's it. Oh, I got your I got your chart, GK. Yes, sir. Copy. How many pairs do you trade? Yeah. Okay. Let me look at this chart here, Mr. GK. Oh, it's the wrong chart. Let me try again. Get rid of that. Let me copy it again. Oh, I think I know what happened. What happened there? I think you need to do this. I think so. If this doesn't work, then I think this should be. No, it's the wrong chart, bro. I don't understand why, but it's not working. Make sure they look like memes was good. Can you check my chart? Yeah, send a link, please. I'll check it. No worries. I can't find. I'm scrolling up because I just put it on live chat, but I can't find yours because it gives a cap to where I can scroll up to. So the only charts that I found recently were memes and Sharif's. Is there a specific place I can send my chart here? Just send it on YouTube chat. Oh, damn. We're coming down. Need New York volume. I did send print screen link. No, you need to send a link. You need to copy the link. Then you need to go to go to trading view. Right, and then you need to paste it like that, and then you need to copy this part right here. Right, copy, and then send that in the chart. There you have it. Okay, yeah, send it again. I'll look at it. Okay, so now the 1 hour the 1 hour needs to respect this whole thing. But I'll tell you one thing that I am gonna do. So if I do lose this trade, it's actually break even. So this position, my 5-minute position, I'm gonna put this at BE. Right? I already closed 0.5% profit. Right? I closed half, which is 0.5%. And I'll put this one at BE. So if I lose this, I lose 0.5%, which puts me at BE. Right? And then I'm actually risk free for the day. Let me do this. 1888.12. Give me a second. 1888. Okay. What's the account? Yeah. So this position right here, the one that I'm in from right here, this is at break even. Right? And I already closed half at a 2-to-1. So if I lose this trade, it's okay. I already collected profits. Now if I lose this trade on the higher time frame, 15-minute time frame, then I am break even. Then I'm in break even. Right? For the day. And then I'll call it a day and go do whatever the fuck I gotta do. Okay. Now let's see these charts. Did you move your stop loss to break even? Yes, sir. On this trade, on the 5-minute trade, I did. Yeah. On this 15-minute trade, I can't, cause I'm right at my entry, right? But I can't manage it. So now if I lose, I'm at break even. There's nothing I can't trip. I'm at break even if I lose, right? Did you move? Boom, 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 boom. Let me see if this one works. GK, I got you. Give me a second. Copy. Trading view. Get rid of that. Paste that. Let's see. I don't know what is the. I got you. Give me a second. Paste. I got it. What is this? Like if you, okay, like we're having some charts sent in. So if you send a chart in, bro, please like put some writing on it. Only thing I see now is a break structure. And that, are you in profit? Are you in drawdown? Are you in the cells? Why did you take this? What are your confirmations? I just see 2 arrows. Are you trading an algorithm? Paste some things on there. You know what I mean? Paste some things on there, dude. I can't. No one can learn anything from that. Nice management. Thanks, bro. Copy. Still gotta get used to all this shit. My bad. Here, paste that. Just like that. Same thing. Same thing, bro. It's the same shit. So you're looking for a break and retest here to then continue lower to this area. And then you're looking for a buy to then go up. Nice. But same thing, like I said, put some words, put some lettering. Right now it's just arrows and speculation. Like that. Copy. Why do I keep exiting the fucking shit, dude? Paste. Yeah, same shit. Same thing, bro. Paste. Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm just doing the same thing. Dude, don't send the same chart over and over again, bro. Stop trolling. Okay, here we go. Asian highs got raided. Grabbed Asia's liquidity. Entry, the downside, targeting Asian low as we broke structure to the downside. Yeah. I mean, if you're targeting Asian lows and if you're targeting the downside, then honestly, you should already be. Your TP should have hit because Asian lows did get raided. All in all, what's important? You're in profit. That's what's most important. So now with my trade, right? One trade still fucking dangling BE, whatever the fuck. But like I said, sorry, bro. I'm sorry if you didn't get it. That's okay, man. That chart's UJ. You said UJ? Isn't that gold? Dude, I gotta really make a habit of not closing out like that. Let me see a second. Give me a second. I'm gonna look at it again. Sorry, bro. I thought it was gold. Kind of looked the same. See, paste. Oh, that is UJ. Yeah, I don't trade UJ, but it looks good. You got the break structure. Now, another thing that you could have waited for also as well is because it looked like you entered just because it turned bearish, right? I don't see any. You could have waited for your break structure, wait for price to come back in here again, right? A nice little rejection candle, engulfing on 5 minute, whatever. Take it down. Could potentially take profit here. Potentially take profit here, right? Always use structure, always use support. I don't know how UJ moves, right? Then you potentially could TP here in the long run, but you're taking it the whole way. I'm happy for you. You did a good job. You saw, you executed. You should be in profit. Now with my trade, let's see on the 1 hour. So I said I want the 1 hour to come down into the support area, and because we created 1 hour support with 2 rejection candles, this 1 hour candle is strong. So it also depends on this 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle that's open right now continues, then the sellers, dude, start managing risk. Because volume pops in a half hour. It can still go to shit. Trust, it can still go to shit. But now the 1 hour, the 5 minute candle. So, right, it all depends on this 1 hour. Let's just put it that way. Now, if this 1 hour candle starts flipping bullish, then this isn't valid anymore, and then you gotta start managing risk. But if this closes bearish here, then I gotta start managing risk. You know what I mean? This is the battle right here at this yellow line. This is the battle. That's the battle. If you close above, forget it. If you close like this, the next 1 hour candle is gonna give you another wake up, and then continue lower. Because then it created what? Then it created resistance below support to continue down, right? But I'm stuck to my bias, you know what I mean? Oh, dude. Oh. Sorry if you didn't get that. Sorry, bro. It's okay. I'm waiting for a retest to enter. So I haven't entered. Why don't you put that on the chart? I'm waiting for the retest. Nice. Wait for the retest. Wait for nice price action and then buy it. So now, what formed on a 5-minute here is your first higher low. You draw your fibs. Came into the 50% area. Right at that support area, like I said. Right, so this is the 1 hour candle coming down. 1 hour candle rejected. This 5-minute candle created support. Now we have our first higher low above resistance. Right, we broke, retested resistance, 50 to 61% pullback, and now price should make a higher high based on lower time frame structure, 5-minute structure. Or price could come up in here, lollygag, and reject again. That's the battling area that you got to pay attention to. Either way, either or, if I lose this trade, I'm at break even. One trade's already at break even. The second trade is just chilling right now. Probably up like 10 pips. You know what I mean? 12 pips. I'd love to see the London highs to be taken out, then hard sells. I agree. They already took out the Asian highs. So, let's see here the 15-minute. 15-minute closes in 1 minute. Rejection candle right at the support, like I said. So price respected the 1 hour support that it just recently formed. And now we're at 15-minute resistance. Now we do need this 15-minute candle to close above. Let's see 5-minute. 5-minute candles pushing up higher like expected. Higher low first, right? Higher high. So look at it like this. Right, price coming down. This is 5-minute. Just keep it in mind, right? Break structure right here, right? Boom, double bottom, my entry, confirmation entry, right? Price broke structure, retested structure, created a higher low above structure, created support above structure. Now this candle needs to make a higher high. If not this candle, the next candle, right? Plus, I draw my fibs, it pulled back into the 50 to 61% area, which is then a confirmation. Give me a second, I gotta turn my camera off. If it doesn't, if it doesn't break here, then yeah, looks like yeah. Yeah. Mhm. All right. So, hello. I would like a retest on 1887 or 86. You might still get it. You might still get it. Right now, it's looking good though. For see the 15-minute candle closing above. Now we need to get a wick down into this 15-minute candle here. And the next 15-minute candle flip up. Once you get a candle close above these wicks, it's done. Close your cells. 30-minute candle also, right? So now, for the sellers, the 1 hour candle is closing bullish again after retesting down into this area. It could get very cheeky for the sellers. You gotta be very careful now. Right now, they say it's bad for the USD. Okay, new chart. Okay. Oops, that's not the right one. Ignore that. Actually, it's the correct one. Check that one out. Alright, bro. Got you. Copy. Go to trading view here. Get rid of this chart. My man said with explanation. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, nice. I like this. 1, daily bearish. 2, head and shoulders on a 30-minute. Honestly, bro, I don't know what that is. Well, I do know what that is, but I don't see it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it this? It's the left leg, left shoulder, head right here. So this is the neckline, I think. Right shoulder, right? But if a head and shoulder, then it needs to a head and shoulder confirmation, isn't it? You need a break, retest, and this is your entry to continue the leg. I'm not sure. That's just what I think. Could be wrong. Okay, daily first dumped, then pumped. Now it should dump for another 1 to 2 hours before continuing up. Currently, there is no strong support aside 1879. There's no strong support besides 1879 in this area. I have that marked up as well. That's resistance, I believe. All right. Stop out all the buyers from the day trading on the smaller time frame. Then from 1879, all whales will buy until 1900. Potentially. I really like how you are looking to buy lower than intended. But like I said, I took this entry based off my confirmations, and I almost got tricked out by closing half on this trade, but no. I'm gonna stick to exactly what it says, what I wanted it to do. Francisco Ramirez, what's up, man? New name. How you doing, bro? If it makes a wick down and then break the previous high, I'll enter, but with a low risk. On the 1 hour, you mean? Or what? Because the 1 hour wick down just happened. Yes, what you explained is exactly what a HNS is. What's an HNS? And it's an entry. Those 5-minute equal highs, London highs, are perfect for a liquidity pool and stop run. Then a reversal to the downside. How many pips is your... Yeah, I agree, Pete. How many pips is your stop loss on the first trade? On the first trade, it's pretty big. It's 41 pips. But I'm also targeting 86. Market makers, did you close? No. Fuck no. Why did I close? I did close. I closed half a position on my lower entry trade. I closed half, yeah. Market makers, no, the day traders. Small time frame. Want to catch only 10-30 pips with smaller stop losses, big lot sizes. I'm thinking that they want to stop them out before buying in at 1879 is my thought process. Yeah, I mean, but I understand. I see what you're looking at, but you also have to adapt to the market. So if price is just continuing to print bullish candles, then there is no sells. You know what I mean? So if price continues to pop higher, then you shouldn't look for any sells. Now, one thing that does scare me is possibly this resistance here. Right? But once we reach that resistance, that's a 1-to-1. So wait, let's see. I have a 41 pip stop. So when price reaches here, I will put stops at break even at BE for first trade, right? Make that black, whatever. All right. And so This is the only thing that's honestly concerning. It was here, but it looks like we're breaking above. We're breaking the last high. You know what I mean? It looks like we're breaking the high. Your entry, your entry, if you wanted to catch this move, was right here. I explained it. I said I want a push down. I want this 1 hour to push down. Wick, reject, and that's your entry. I didn't enter. I'm already in 2 positions. Percent risk. Well, now it's turned into I think 75%. Oh wait, what? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, fuck no, man. I made a mistake. Oh, Jesus. No. 1892.32. I made a mistake. Oh my god. I forgot to move my TP. I forgot to move my TP, man. This trade's out. This trade's out. This on the 5-minute trade's out. It hit my TP. I forgot to move it. Shit. Fuck. Shit. That's fucked up, man. Motherfuckers, dude. Fuck. Come on, man. Oh, man. Oh, that hurts. I'm looking at my MetaTrader. I'm like, oh yeah, everything's going well. I'm trying to see my profits. Oh, that hurts. That kind of hurts. That kind of hurts. But my play is to catch the retrace to stop out buyers that got in early this week. I agree with you, bro. Man, that was such a nice entry, man. Damn, that could have been a nice runner, man. Fuck. Cause remember my stops. So I entered here. My stops were like what here? Okay, I closing at 357. Pretty good. But fuck, that's messed up though. All right. 1897.98 for possible sell entry. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I'm not looking to sell entries until I honestly get to the monthly resistance. That monthly resistance is your really next hard resistance. That when price taps in at 1906, boy, I'm selling. Selling up 1.5% risk, you know what I mean? 0.5% more because we're gonna go get that money. Okay. Yeah, it's fucked up. Oh, what's up, Sylvester? How you doing? I took a sell? No. Bro, you see I'm in buys, dude. Be careful here. 5-minute engulfing. Oh. Poof, would have faked the fuck out of you. Oh, that's messed up, man. That hurts. That kind of hurts. That kind of hurts. You know, that kind of hurt it that I closed that one on accident. Made good money off of it. Don't get it wrong. It's Friday. I can buy a new video game. Alright. I know the feeling? Yeah. At least it's profit? Yeah, true. It happens. Yep. But you were in profit, right? Yeah, 100%. It was a 3 to 25 risk reward. 7 a.m. highs taken. Well, your 7 a.m. is different than mine. This is the high that you should focus on, dude. This high is already rated. This high, if we have the same time zone, this high is already rated by this candle. These are the highs that we gotta target. These are the Asian highs that we gotta target. There's a bunch of stop losses sitting up here. Let price rate them first, and then we can see what it wants to do. But by that time, I'll probably get off the charts because I got shit to do. Aim Fidel, yes, I used to chill with her, yes, 100%. Until she started asking for money for a Zoom, so I was like, nah, bro, thanks. What about news coming in 2 hours? It's orange folders. Not really worried about it. It'll probably give you a spike. That's about it. Let's see, USD at 4 p.m. They're calling what negative numbers, which means positive gold, either or if the actual is positive, right? But then we do have FOMC Waller speaks. That might bring a little volatility in the market. I was out. I'm gonna rewind the stream to see how you took the trade. Maybe I have a question. I'll tell you how I took the trade. You don't have to rewind the stream. Give me a second. So how I took the trade, Mr. Sylvester. So we have this 15-minute support area, okay? And I saw on the lower time frames, I saw this rejection 1, rejection 2, rejection 3, engulfing candle, right? Now I also saw the 15-minute candle here engulfing the next. So this position right here, I got 2 positions. I mean, I had 2 positions. One accidentally, I made a mistake and it hit TP on accident. Anyway, I saw this 15-minute candle. It was near close. I remember it was near close, and I said, okay, so if this 15-minute candle breaks the high, this 15-minute candle breaks the high, I'll anticipate it with volume to continue higher. So I entered with 0.5% risk. And I said the 30-minute close like this. I said, okay, so if we get a nice 30-minute close like this, and I said, so now it's up to this 30-minute candle, right, at 12 a.m. to either fill this wick or reject another time. That at the time I didn't know. And I said, but if we do come down here and I see nice confirmation, I will enter my second 50% risk. Right? There you have it. Price came down. Support. First time it came down here, 15-minute candle engulfed, or 5-minute candle engulfed, came up, rejected again, faked you out, double bottom, and then engulfed again. And I entered right at the break of the high for that candle to continue. I didn't see no drawdown in this. No, none. So, and then honestly, I wanted this entry right here. I wanted it to TP at the same level as my higher entry time frame, but I made a mistake and I forgot to take away my take profit at this area. But it's cool. So now for the sellers, I'm not bashing you 100%. I was happy for you until you learned. Until you know, what is the lesson that you can learn here from here, right? Because there's a couple of people that were selling, and I said, if you sell, I'm happy for you. I hope you win. It's a fight, right? Just make sure you learn from your mistakes. One thing that I can tell you guys that should have got you guys out of the sell is this 1 hour candle right here. So you have 2 rejections. This 1 hour candle at 12 a.m. not even touching closing below, right? And then I said it, Can't tell me I didn't say. I said we need this candle, this 1 hour candle that's open right now, in the first half hour to come down, respect this area, and show some sort of rejection. Now I went to the 5 minute, I drew my fib. Why did I draw my fib on the lower time frames? Because it works. Price came up, we broke structure here on the 5 minute as well. Price came down, right? Rejected. I wasn't, scared at nothing. Saw the first rejection. Saw the first higher low form above resistance. Right? Price broke the high, came back, created support, and then it rejected into the 50% area. Now another entry that you could have taken, I didn't do it because I was already in 1%, is right at the break of this high. Right? Where's your stops at this point? Well, right here. You have a 17 pip stop. You always want to go for a 2-to-1. There's your first TP. If you would have entered right there, I didn't do it. I was already in deep. 1%. I don't like to risk too much on a Friday. Right? So your 2-to-1, you should have had your stops at break even at this point. Now we just continue higher. What time does New York open? 13 minutes. I think. What? I think it already opened. Oh, NYSCE opens at 3 my time. I don't know why it's saying that. Oh, I see. It's at GMT. It's on GMT. Europe. Boom. Oh, at 2. Yeah, like I said. 12. Right? Now, I hope you guys learned. And I was rooting for you. I was rooting for you guys in sales 100%. 100%. If you did end up taking this trade with me, whoever took this trade, because I explained it from tip to toe, whoever took this trade, drop like a 1 in the chat or something, or say like me. Leave a like. That's all you gotta do. No one took the trade, that's fine as well. I took it. Profits. Made my money for a day. Going up too steep. It's too strong. Could get dangerous. 4-hour flip chat. 4-hour closes in an hour. Yeah. So now, I mean, it is what it is. Now you just gotta chill, man. My stops from my sell is at 1896. Oh geez. All's good. Took something out already and stops in profit. Good job. I knew I was counter trending. You did good. You made your money, dude. Probably got about like 70 pips, man. Like that's fucking good. Good job. Just liked and subscribed. Thank you, bro. Thanks. 1. Okay, Andy, good job, bro. I took it. Good shit. My stops for my sales at 1896. All good. Stops in profit. Yeah, yeah. Peace, bro. Thanks for coming in. Bye tonight. I took it. Thanks. Yeah. You gained a new subscriber? Thank you. I am putting my stops at break even. Because fuck that. Because fuck that. Look at that 5 minute. Oh, it's new. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Modify order. I got magic keys. Why am I doing it like that? Closing half. So my stops are at break even. I'll just close half, man. You know, it is what it is. Just gonna let the rest run to full TP. Full TP that I have set 1897.89. That's full TP. But my stops are at break even, so if I get stopped out, it is what it is. I made, let's see, open calc. 1.5% today. That's pretty good. And if this trade completes, then I will make about 2.3, which is very good. You know, you gotta look at the percentage. Buy or sell? I don't know, Alan Warren. This is the first time I see your name and you're asking me to buy or sell. You're probably in drawdown. Fuck out of here. Ask yourself if you want to buy or sell. Say hi first before you come in my stream or something, bro. First time I see your name. I don't have a lot of viewers, so it's kind of easy to pick up names, you know what I mean? It's again in my sell zone, but I won't risk it. Wait. Astro, when you're not sure of things, don't do it. When you're not sure, don't do it, bro. Oh, I'm kind of sad that my other position closed, man. I am sad, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I am sad that I closed that on accident. Do you take it? It's going up, beware. Yeah, it's pushing up. Now, watch New York volume kick in, watch. My TP's gonna get smacked. Do you take in account fundamentals? Yeah, I do. Cornelia on the Dawn. But not as much. You know, I look at Forex Factory and I kind of know what's going on in the world, and I know right now that there's a war going on or about to start. So I actually take advantage of that and just buy the fear. Everyone's scared. Buying the fear with them. When I'm chilling in the back, I'm just chilling with them. New to the stream, welcome. I'm gonna just call you KR. New to the stream, welcome. Can you explain the way you look at charts when you start your day? I kind of already did that, but I kind of just do like a top-down analysis. From the monthly, I mark up the monthly resistance, monthly support, most recent. Then I go to the weekly. And then I work my way down from that. And then like on the 4-hour zones, I like to get my entries. You know what I mean? 4-hour zones, 5-minute confirmations, 15-minute confirmations, 15 to 5-minute confirmations. New to the stream, can you explain? Oh fuck, keep reading. Asia big move is London sleep time is New York. Big facts. The news on the war did some nasty stuff yesterday. Um, yeah, they were talking. One of our Telegram members actually posted that in the Telegram, and they were live. So I didn't watch it. I was busy, but yeah. Now my question is the 4 hour gonna flip? That's my question. If the 4 hour flips, that'd be pretty dope. Only nasty if you're on the wrong side of the move. Yeah, dude, tell me about it. It could still do whatever the fuck it wants, man. Don't get it confused. Gold is very, very, very not gold right now. Gold is just a different human, different monster with this news and stuff going on. As long as you don't over risk, man, you should be good. Russia and Ukraine want peace in morning because gold was at daily resistance? Possibly. Or just follow technicals. I mean, if I was up, I'd most definitely be in sells, though. Probably would have closed a lot, but I would most definitely be in sells, 100%. That was just technicals. I don't think there was fundamentals at that time. I'm not sure. Possibly. But yeah. We are going to fly up. Watch out. I hope. TP's almost hit. Might get greedy and put it higher. Because if the daily flips, then we're going fucking high as fuck, dude. If the daily flips, oh, Jesus Christ, I feel bad. Right, so I might actually just. This is the area you gotta watch out for, right here. Me being in buys, I'm gonna get a reaction right now. It could kind of scare a lot of new people, but you're gonna get a reaction from this zone. Unless volume just says fuck you and says we and goes to the TP. But I'm gonna move my TP up. I just think I think these Asian highs 1902 should be proper. Yeah, I got them at 1900. Somewhere about here. Yeah, so this trade's up 42 pips. This trade should have been up 61. Sadly, though, fucked up. Fucked up. If you guys were here earlier, I fucked up big time. I think gold's gonna do the same since GU and gold correlate during New York. I don't know what. I never look at that pair. Sorry. What happened if the daily flips? You're gonna see it go to the moon. Fundamentals were about scheduled meeting between Russia and USA. That's why it goes down. Okay. Approaching London highs. Yep. Now I'm not that deep into the fundamentals, but I do go to when he streams Capital Hungry. He's deep into the fundamentals and he knows his shit. So whenever I'm just chilling and he's online, I'll drop in. Check his stream out. He's very very good in with fundamentals, man. It's insane how smart that dude is. I'm not gonna go into all that stuff. That's for him. That's his. He's good at that. We're gonna Leave that to my man. You know what I mean? He's very good at fundamentals. Man's a beast. You know, you gotta give respect when respect is due. So let's see here what New York Open gives us. We're already safe. We're already safe. My stops are at break even. We're just chilling, you know what I mean? This is a dangerous area, but there's volume, you know what I mean? So we might actually just blast through here with no reason. With no, you know, you might look how healthy these candles are on the 5 minute. See, this candle's bigger. Oh, oh, it's bigger, but it's rejecting also. So gotta be very careful here. Right? If you guys have any charts, send them in because I won't stay for longer. Been on the stream for about 4 hours, 3 hours. I don't know how long since this trade. Yeah, this is kind of insane. I had the most viewers today as you know I ever had while streaming. I always get like 30, 24, 30. Numbers just doubled. Guess they like how genuine and how real I am. Right? Are you Roger's student? Does it look like I'm Roger's student? Does Rogers trade like this? No, I'm not Roger's student. I do use his magic keys. Sales coming in. They come in. I'm safe. I made my money today. Made 1.5% today. I'm good. I have this runner at break even. So yeah, if sales come in and your TP gets hit, I'm happy for you, bro. If you get stopped out, then learn from your mistakes. A couple people in here that were selling, they got stopped out. They learned from their mistakes, I hope. But this is a nasty rejection candle. It is indeed. Now I'll tell you this much, right? So if price breaks below here, the 15 minute, I'll cut my trade and I'll call it a day with whatever profits are on the table. You know what I mean? $8 a.m. New York money selling too? Possibly. And that's how you manage it. You gotta manage it. You know what I mean? You gotta manage this shit. See, now I'm gonna keep my finger on the X button. Take the rest of the trade out if we end up breaking below that candle. You know what I mean? This is just New York volume. But if it engulfs, then that's my ass. Oh. Be careful now. If you're not already in a position and you're not safe, you got to be very careful. Right? I'm done. My trade's done. I'm just here watching what it does for you guys. I don't have to be here. My trade is done. I made my money. You got to be very careful. If you're just trying to ride this wave that's coming, you might get wicked out. $30 just opened. Bro, you getting your game? I don't know. Maybe. Just found out about you and I sub. Thanks, bro. Razvan, Mihai. If I mispronounce your name, I'm so sorry, but thanks. I try to go live every day, but start my trading days fairly early at like 8 a.m. just to look at the charts and see what it's doing for London. But if I find a trade and it's a win, I turn my computer off and I won't look at the charts anymore, which means I don't trade anymore, which I don't get on YouTube anymore, so it all depends. But I'll try to pop in like every day, at least 3 times a week. Yeah, just turn notifications on. Yeah. And if you're in the Telegram group, I post on there, like I talk to everyone in there like all day. You know, if you want to join that, you could. See, if you want to join that, just pop in. I show entries. Well, like yesterday, I showed the sales I took. So, if you got any questions or any helpful information, just fucking send it in there. If you need help, I'll try to help you as much as I can. If you guys want my Insta, I don't really post on there as much though. I should. Should though. If you guys want to follow me on Insta, there's the Instagram. So we're just chilling now. I mean, this trade is what I'm thinking that it's doing right now. It's possibly creating a 1 hour wick, but it needs to sit here for another half hour. Right. So yeah, we're just chilling now. If you have questions, send in your charts. I'll try to help them. I just want to see what it really wants to do. Oh, there you go. Flipped bullish. See, and that's how you manage your trade. Because if it would have broken the low here, dude, it would have taken a shit. That's why you said, kid, be careful when you're jumping in New York volume. You kind of don't want to jump in the New York volume. Don't want to do that. Say you would have taken those shorts, man. You would have got fucked in the bum. Probably would have got slipped too. Right? I'm already in the trade. I'm safe. I'm at break even. I'm just letting the rest do its thing, right? Already closed half. You know what I mean? I can even call it a day and close out right now. But I'm not. Right? I'm at break even. Chilling. Chilling like a villain. Oh, I got it on top chat again. Oops. Oh yeah, it took me out. That was the whole plan, bro. For them. Not for me. Sorry that you got stopped out at break even, but that was their plan. They gotta rate the Asian highs as well now. If volume wants to do that, then you could do that. If volume says, yeah, we're rejecting here, fuck you, motherfucker, we go down, then fuck you, motherfucker, we go down. You know what I mean? This is New York volume. This is New York volume, bros. They're targeting people like Astro. They have their cells here. They're targeting people like you. People sold here from this engulfing. They're gonna target people like them right now. We're still very, 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 very bullish on gold. I love counter trend trading, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you gotta hop on the trend, man. Fucking hell. You really wanna look for big sells right here. Look for these big sells right up in here. Trust. Let it come in here. Let it wick in here somewhere. Snatch it up. Ooh, you're gonna make money. Why are you laughing at, Sylvester? My TP's 1900 actually on my thing. Let me see, what is it? My TP that I have set right now is at oh 1900 flat. So made 1.5% right now. If I make this, if this runner reaches full TP, then I made 2.20% for today. Good day. Beautiful trade. Friday ended very good. Yes, I'm good. Took me out 50 pips profit. That's a good job, bro. Ooh, Sylvester said that's cap. I believe him though, Sylvester. Yeah, now I'm just chilling. Um, next target 1899, 1900, 1899. I have TP at 1900 flat. If I'd look for sells, it'd be right here. That's gold for you in a fucking nutshell. That's gold for you, bro. That is gold for you in a fucking nutshell. Fakes you out, get your money, and then wow, buy. I buy when people sell. That's me. I sell when people buy. For all the new people, that's me. Oh, but I'm so salty. My position closed on accident. Actually, two RRs right here. You see, didn't give the 1855. I knew it. If you knew it, if you knew it, you should cut your trade, bro. Yeah, man. You should have closed when I bought. That was your confirmation right there. Yeah. Like I said, bro, remember where you come from. When you're on your phone and you like what you see, like I like the profits that I see on my screen now. But it's Friday. I've had a good week. It's Friday. I'm gonna let these run. That's how you gotta think. If you like what you see, then fucking let it be. Close it, bro. Close the shit. No, I'm happy with this actually. I'm happy with this. You know, I'm happy with what I see on my screen right now. 80 pips. I'm gonna close full. Fuck it, it's Friday. I'm done for the week. I closed everything. I like the profits. I'm not gonna get greedy. So that was it. Everything explained to the T. Close full position. It is what it is. There you have it. It's a W anyway. Probably will go up to full TP. I just can't get greedy. Fuck it, man. Can't get greedy. Get the money and run. Trade's done. TPs are hit. Successful day. Successful week. What did I make today? Eventually, percentage wise. That's why I like Magic Keys a lot. You did open calc, and then it shows you how much. Oof. Started stuttering there. It shows you how much percentage you made for a day. 1.97, 2%. I risked one. I closed my runner. Damn, I made more than that I made at my work daily paycheck. That's my goal, man. I like what I see. My runner was a daily paycheck. Take that shit the fuck out, man. Take it out, bro. You gotta be humble. You gotta be humble. You don't want to take out that money. So what if it flies? Fuck it. Let it fly. Let it fly. I made my money. Fuck it. Who gives a fuck? Cry about it. If it fucking shoots up 3,000 pips, I won't give a fuck. Actually, will. But I had a winner yesterday. I had a winner today. I had very good trades this week, man. I'm up. But yeah, trade's done. Closed everything. I'm gonna journal this now. Probably can go higher as well. It is what it is. I explained if you've been here from the beginning, I explained everything to the T. Everything. What I wanted to do, what I'm looking for. If you didn't get any nuggets today, then you were half asleep or you're on fucked up on drugs. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna call this stream a day. I'm gonna call it one. TPs are hit. Let the rest do what the fuck it wants to do. Runners are closed. You know what I mean? There it goes. Full TP would have got smacked. I'm not mad. Full TP would have got smacked. The only thing that just gave me was confidence that I can do it again. Even though I closed, it gave me confidence. I made my money. Full TP's hit. I risked 1% today. I made 2%. Simple. You know what I mean? That's the only thing that it gave me. Confidence. Yeah, bro, you're doing a good job. You know what I mean? Your trade was in profit. Your trade hit full TP. You know what I mean? This was the original full TP, the 2-to-1. It hit. But I'm already up 70, let's say 70 pips. Fuck those 16 pips, man. Fuck them. Yo, Guala Legend, what's up, Stefanel? How you doing, bro? It's done. The trades are done. Right? Money's made. TP's hit. Stayed calm. Stayed calm. Watch it all happen. And there you have it. I mean, it's Friday today. We're chilling. I've been here the whole day. Yeah, bro. then you know what I explained this trade from beginning to the end, and I, you know, was sharing my thought process. I was staying calm, and that's how you trade, man. Fucking if you lose, you fucking lose. Cry about it, right? But yeah, everyone, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a blessing. My viewers doubled. You know, it's pretty fucking dope that my viewers doubled. I love it. For the new viewers, thank you for, you know, staying as well. If you subbed, thanks. If you like the stream, thank you. Thank you, Moima. Thank you. For the people that sold, you learned a lesson. As long as you didn't over risk, you did good. You did very good as long as you didn't over risk, right? You deserve it, bro. Thank you. Very good stream. Thanks. Thank you, Astro Creep. So yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in. I'll probably be back Monday. And Monday, for the new people, I've watched a lot of questions from, can you mark up your charts and can you do this? Come early. That's the first thing I do. I mark up the chart. So if you want to watch that, replay it back, and then you can see how I mark up my charts. So thank you guys, man. I'm out. We robbed it. Now we gotta run, man. Peace.